Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself LS Nanda. Now in our previous year question series of JEE Main and JEE Advanced, this is the next problem that I am going to take today. It's a question based on the topics of ellipse and parabola. It says if two tangents drawn from a point alpha comma beta lying on the ellipse 25x square plus 4y square equal to 1 to the parabola y square equal to 4x are such that the slope of one tangent is 4 times the other, then we have to find the value of this particular expression. Now since the point alpha comma beta is lying on this particular ellipse, so I can say that the point alpha comma beta must satisfy the equation of this ellipse, right? So that means I can write 25 alpha square plus 4 beta square equal to 1. So this is our equation number 1. And now from this point alpha comma beta, we are drawing tangents onto the parabola y square equal to 4x. So for this purpose, I am using the slope form of tangent for the parabola y square equal to 4x. And its equation is going to be y equal to mx plus a by m. Now what is a over here? 4a is equal to 4. So a will be equal to 1. Now students, here I will repeat that you must know all the basic concepts of parabola and ellipse. Only then you will be able to solve such kind of problems. Now since from the point alpha comma beta we are drawing this tangent, so alpha comma beta will satisfy this equation of the tangent. So I can say beta is equal to m alpha plus 1 upon m. Now just multiply throughout with m, you will be getting m beta equal to m square alpha plus 1, or I can say m square alpha minus m beta plus 1 equal to 0. Now since it's a quadratic equation in terms of m, so this clearly indicates there are maximum 2 possible tangents that can be drawn from the point alpha comma beta onto the parabola, right? Now for this purpose, what I can do, I can say let m1 and m2 be the slopes of the tangents that can be drawn from this point alpha comma beta onto the parabola y square equal to 4x. Now if these two are the slopes of the tangents, they must be the roots of this equation. So this means m1 plus m2 will be equal to beta upon alpha. I'm just using the basic formula of sum of roots and product of roots. And similarly m1 into m2 will be equal to 1 upon alpha. Now students, we are given that a slope of one tangent is 4 times the slope of another tangent. So this clearly means m1 is equal to 4m2. So m1 plus m2 will become 5m2, which is equal to beta by alpha. Or from here I can say m2 is going to be equal to beta upon 5 alpha. And if I put m1 equal to 4m2 in the second equation, I will be getting 4m2 square equal to 1 upon alpha. Fine. Now using this particular equation and this equation, I am going to eliminate m2 and find a relationship in terms of alpha and beta. Fine. So just substitute the value of m2 from here into the equation 4m2 square equal to 1 upon alpha. So you will be getting 4 into beta upon 5 alpha whole square equal to 1 upon alpha. Now if I simplify it, I am going to get 4 beta square equal to 25 alpha, right? Now students, we solve further. Now students, we have got the value of 4 beta square equal to 25 alpha. Just substitute this value of 4 beta square equal to 25 alpha in the equation number 1. So you will be getting 25 alpha square plus 25 alpha equal to 1. Now we have got quadratic equation in terms of alpha. Solve this equation and get the value of alpha. Now alpha is equal to minus 25 plus minus square root of 625 plus 100 whole divided upon 50. I have just used the formula to find the roots. It is minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Now alpha becomes equal to minus 25 plus minus square root of 725 whole divided upon 50. Now further alpha can be written as minus 1 upon 2 plus minus. Now students, 725 is nothing but 25 into 29. So square root of 725 can be written as 5 into square root of 29, and in the denominator we are having 50. So finally I can write alpha plus half equal to plus minus square root of 29 divided by 10, or the value of 2 alpha plus 1 becomes equal to plus minus square root 29 divided by 5. Now why I have found the value of 2 alpha plus 1? Because we have to ultimately find the value of this expression 10 alpha plus 5 whole square plus 16 beta square plus 50 whole square, right? Now as we know that 4 beta square equal to 25 alpha. So let me convert this entire expression in terms of alpha. Now in place of 16 beta square, we can write this as 4 into 4 beta square, right? And 4 beta square is how much? 25 alpha. So it will become 100 alpha plus 50 whole square. And this is 10 alpha plus 5 whole square. Now out of this second term, you can take out 50 common. So it will become 50 whole square outside, that is 2500. And inside I'm going to get 2 alpha plus 1 whole square. Similarly, in the first term, you can take out 5 common. So it will become 25 into 2 alpha plus 1 whole square. And now just put the value of 2 alpha plus 1 whole square and you will get the answer. So it is 2525 into 2 alpha plus 1 whole square, and 2 alpha plus 1 whole square is nothing but 29 upon 25. Fine. So here I am writing 29 upon 25. Now students, just do the calculations. It becomes 29 into 101, and finally this is 2929. So 2929 is the answer of this problem. Now students, next question I will be posting in tomorrow's video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge. Thanks.